Hello. I'm going to be talking to you today about the world's largest retailer. I'm sure most of you have bought at least one product from this company. Can you guess who it is? Yes, that's right. It's Amazon. I shall start this lecture by giving you a brief overview of Amazon, and this will be followed by looking at recruitment and employee benefits. And as there have been a number of criticisms regarding the treatment of employees, I shall look at this next. How Amazon has responded to these criticisms will be my final point. So, let's start with the overview. Amazon was established in 1994, and since then, it has expanded its operations in different sectors such as artificial intelligence, cloud computing, e-commerce, grocery stores, consumer electronics, and digital streaming. The company was founded by Jeff Bezos, who is the current CEO, and under his guidance, the company, according to Statista, has seen a linear growth, with revenues surpassing $280 billion in 2019. Apart from the different sectors just mentioned, this giant also offers a wide spectrum of products such as Amazon Fire, Alexa, Kindle, and Echo. The company's made its presence felt all across the globe, and in this process, it has employed more than 750,000 people. According to About Amazon 2020, the four fundamental principles of the company are innovation, customer obsession, long-term thinking, and operational excellence. These four principles have guided Amazon to totally reshape the e-commerce business and its warehouses. I think it would be fair to say that Amazon's success truly lies in its warehouses. These are also known as fulfillment centers and are not only used for storing products, but also act as distribution centers. As these centers are equipped with computer systems, robotics, and scanning machines, they've resulted in high-speed operations and significant reduction in overall costs. More than 175 such centers have been built around the globe to facilitate the streamlined flow of products to the consumer. Okay, so let's now move on to recruitment and employee benefits. Amazon has been known for creating plenty of job opportunities and offering a range of benefits to its employees. 25,000 jobs have been created in the UK alone, paying a minimum wage of £9.50 per hour and £10.50 per hour in London. Benefits include private medical insurance, life assurance, income protection, paid breaks, and a company pension plan. This multinational giant also has a career choice program for the employees who've been part of this company for a year. And this program supports the employees in their tuition fees for courses that are in high demand. Since the introduction of this program 4 years ago, in excess of 16,000 employees from 10 different countries have completed degrees in nursing, radiology, visual communications, game design, and IT programming. Although Amazon provides attractive working opportunities and benefits, it's been often criticized for unsafe working conditions, and I shall now look at these. In the past 3 years, according to The Guardian, over 600 employees have been injured or had accidents while working in the UK-based warehouses. Furthermore, the BBC reported that despite spending millions on PR campaigns suggesting that the warehouses are safe, the number of injuries increased from 152 in 2017 to 240 in 2019. Many employees claim they're treated like robots as they're subjected to high workloads and long working hours, along with unsafe and gruesome working conditions. The fact is that the introduction of robotics in these warehouses, according to Time magazine, has forced these employees to work at the same level as machines, resulting in both physical and mental stress. It is also estimated that employees working in warehouses with robotics have to work 3 times faster than employees in warehouses without robotics, as the robots have raised productivity from 100 items per hour to over 300 items per hour. This has led to far more injuries due to the repetitive lifting and handling of the products. In fact, The Guardian reported that ambulances have been called about 600 times in the last 3 years, and in the US, on-site medical unit AmCare has been criticized for not offering adequate medical support. What's even worse is reporters from Vice claim that 13 employees have died in US Amazon warehouses since 2013. It's easy to see why it's been listed on the National Council for Occupational Safety and Health as one of the most dangerous places to work in America. I'll now turn my attention to Amazon's response to these claims. Amazon states that safety is the most important aspect above all other priorities. They say that they do this through open dialogue, operational meetings, on-the-spot training, and employee orientation. Amazon states that it has very high safety standards and works continuously to reduce physical risk through ergonomic training and coaching. Furthermore, it claims that it collects employee feedback on a regular basis so that safety and the working environments can be improved. In order, it says, to be transparent, Amazon has started fulfillment center tours to demonstrate that the company offers paramount importance to the well-being of all its employees. This multinational giant provides tours at 7 locations in the UK. With these tours, Amazon focuses on highlighting the fact that the company takes all possible measures to safeguard the interest of its employees. I've now come to the end of my lecture. We know that Amazon has created a lot of employment opportunities and provides its workers with a range of benefits. But we also know that the employees in the warehouses have to work in challenging conditions. Amazon says that its centers are safe and offers tours as proof. However, if you get the chance, why not book a tour and see for yourself? Thank you for listening.